So on a Thursday morning when I go to the supermarket, I mostly buy food, fresh food, ground food. I don't really buy a lot of flour and sugar and all of them stuff. You know, sometimes you go to the supermarket, that is the most thing people buy. When I go to the supermarket, especially on Thursday, this is how I buy banana. Banana to serve me through the week. That is some Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna make some Rasta pasta. This me get a can of sardine here. Is 100 in there, and where I bought it, it was I go to the meat shop. See my avocado? Go to the meat shop and the guy was selling them on wholesale. So it's $1 for one, and I bought 100 sardines. It's from Africa. Those African sardines. You know, eat bad because they eat them already. So you see my different color bell pepper. Because when I cook up my cabbage, I'm not buy the orange bell pepper because I already put the carrot in the cabbage with already orange. So put in the orange bell pepper. This is some tin crab meat when I go put in my rasta pasta. But may I explain something to you now. So yeah, so the orange one, yes. It's me buy fresh garlic. I'm not buy the orange sweet pepper because of the carrots. So I buy red, green, and yellow. Buy a few tomato, but I always cut out the middle them when I cook them up because you know tomato give arthritis. But cabbage, lettuce, you know. I buy one. I buy two of them pepper here, orange pepper, because I'm gonna use it in the rasta pasta. I'm gonna cut up the two of them now and make a big pot of rasta pasta. That's the only reason why I buy it. So I buy cucumber and carrots, buy bola, you know, buy a little golden crust bola. No bola like down a yard still, you know. I buy my orange, I buy my string beans. I just take them out for, you know, wash off and put them in the fridge. And I said, let me do a quick video. But yeah, when I go to market, this is how I buy my fresh fruits. I like to go on Thursday because when I go in a supermarket on Thursday, seems to me like everything in there fresh. So like it's a yellow yam. I'm gonna buy dry coconut. Yes. I broke them one year. Normally I broke them at the supermarket because when I come sometimes them can spoil. I'm gonna have to carry them back. But you see when I take up them one year, them just seem sturdy. So I don't think nothing wrong with them, you know. But yeah, I buy fresh lime and okra. So this is all, you know, when me used to go to Jamaica, this is how me used to go downtown on Saturday and buy my seasoning and my next and I already have scallion and so when I buy, but I have to wash them and keep them in the freezer because I don't want them to spoil. So I freeze my season, like my scallion and my thyme, I freeze them because I buy them in a bulk. I'm just wash them, put them in a Ziploc bag, make them drain, put them in a Ziploc bag. Sometimes I dry the onion, like not the onion, this the thyme. Yeah.